everybody, Shannon and Karen with Wandering Out Yonder. Well, welcome to day 2 of our Missouri road trip adventure. Today we are staying in New Germany State Park and we will be visiting Swallow Falls State Park in Maryland. We started our day out with a warm cup of coffee and watching the sunrise. I personally love to step out first thing in the morning to hear the sounds of the birds and to try to figure out which birds are singing today. A little tidying up for Fran and we will be on our way to a new adventure in Swallow Falls State Park. Along the way, we drove through Scenic, Western Maryland. One of my favorite things about road tripping is seeing new things along the way, and we came upon these 2 tin men playing instruments. The drive into Swallow Falls State Park is so pretty, and it is part of an old-growth forest network. The hemlock grove here is part of a 37-acre area of virgin hemlock and white pine trees. They are estimated to be 300 plus years old, and they are the last stand of its kind in Maryland. Once we arrived at the Swallow Falls Canyon Trail, we first visited the park office to pick up our Fran magnet and then onward to the trail. We were excited to use our Savage River State Forest map by Purple Lizard Maps to plan this part of the trip. The trail leading to the falls is wide and has plenty of room for everyone visiting. I absolutely love walking along these types of trails in the presence of these beautiful trees. This particular trail winds through the forest and has several shortcuts and trails leading to various waterfalls. Shannon and I chose to walk along all of them to really enjoy the forest and the waterfalls. There were so many areas to walk out and enjoy the river and falls, and the scenery was just spectacular. One beautiful spot after another. Something about being in the forest and hearing the water makes you feel so good inside, refreshed and grateful. This feeling is always instant once we walk into the forest. Everyday life melts away and you are reminded that this is what life is about. We made sure to stop at every new turn to soak in the scenery and watch the way the river flowed and fell over the rocks and ledges all along the way. The trail is also filled with many rock and boulder formations. View after view after view. Thank you, Mother Nature. Once we were finished in Swallow Falls State Park, we decided to check out a few of the other state parks in the area. We drove through some quaint Western Maryland towns, and we stopped to check out a scenic roadside view. We then drove through Deep Creek Lake State Park and Herrington Manor State Park. We ended our day setting up camp in New Germany State Park in Maryland, a perfect day filled with such beauty. Dinner and a good night's sleep, but not before placing our new adventure magnet in Fran.
Swallow Falls. Deep Creek Lake. And where we're staying tonight, New Germany.
Those are our 3 new magnets.
Tomorrow we're heading to West Virginia.
We'll see you guys tomorrow.